Hi, my name is Amy Miller. I'm in Ashland, Oregon, and I began writing poems about the pandemic in mid-March, about the time when my company shut down and many of us staffers had to start working at home. And I continued writing poems about the pandemic in a frenzy for the next 6 weeks or so. I wrote many, many poems. I felt it was important to preserve the strangeness of the time and the historical aspects of everything that we were going through. And then after about 6 weeks, I completely burned out on writing poems about the pandemic. So I'm glad that I got in as many as I did during that time. I'm going to read 3 of them now. This first one is called Working at Home, Day 5. One last trip to the office. I grab the hard drive, folders, cheat sheets, a stack of paper. Then I see the plants, the 3 of them silent, the big one flourishing, a gift from a vendor years ago. I stand there and think, do I need to? Yes. 3 more trips to the car. I lay their tendrils in the trunk. Over and over, the same blasting thought. What if they die? No, reader, I mean the people who water them. Pandemic, Day 15. The road here ends in gravel and a wiry wall of blackberries. Far off, 2 horses, pinto and gray. Deep in the bramble, a watery song, blackbirds hidden. 3 deer to my right, so quiet that now I've startled them. They walk away in a line. For centuries they've done this, us with the rope, the gun, the stupid, vainglorious speech. They know it, keeping this distance. Pandemic, Day 32. The farmer hands me the bag through the passenger window. He wears a mask, dark gray, and bright blue gloves like a scientist in a war movie. We nod in our quiet little deal on Faith Avenue, and I drive off, another car pulling up in the rear view as he bends toward its passenger door. It's been a week since I ate anything green, and when I get home, I spill lettuce into a glass bowl. Leaves tumble like rain, like money, picked and mixed and still so clearly alive. Live food, fine water spraying out as I tear them into smaller pieces, roughs and russets, the butter's gentle emerald. This week the walls have shadowed like a decrepit painting. Outside, I imagine walking hungry through that arid blue. Empty shelves, shortages, and what if the truck drivers strike? The farmer, dark eyes over his mask, is a picture I carry around the rest of the day, his heavy hands filled with green.